This is how you do my animation. Go pick a map. Go on a map. Then this is how you make an animation. Look, see all the characters. This is how you make all your animations. Keep watching. It's very cool. Yeah, guys. So these people made links and I made links. Like, this is how you make your links. And here's the maps I got and made. Suddenly me, when we be on the Hello map, go in, then make an animation. Like, everybody knows an animation. Like this is how the characters you made. Like all the characters you made. Keep looking. Like see all the maps. Like you can make everything. Like no link is in a different channel. Like I'm gonna make a link tomorrow. Want to see the link? Want to see my link I made tomorrow, guys? Want to see it tomorrow? Well, I made it today. I can make 2 links today. But this is how I make my animations. Yeah, guys, these are cool animations. Yeah, guys, this video takes so long. I made this video for so long, guys. I always made these videos all the time, like on YouTube, and I made links, and there's some things that, like this is I'm gonna make a link tomorrow. Want to see it? He wants to tell it today or not? Make a link, I'll send the link to you in your comments on your new video, guys. Look, go. I went on here and switched to 11. Yeah, go on 11, then go here and it looks cool. Look, this, and I'm using CapCut. Yeah, CapCut. Today I'm using CapCut. Like everybody know CapCut, and I'm using this is my voice on my video I made, like on CapCut. Guys, look, 3 officer walks. Like he's gone out, yeah, like done. Like this. Okay, that's enough. Then let's do it again. This is how I do my shooting noise. Yeah, that's my shooting noise I made by my mouth and my hands. Like, and this is like cut. Like as get sounds from it, like your own sounds. Like I use CapCut all the time. Like sometimes I use it, sometimes I not. Use different things. Like guys, like whoever likes my video, I didn't mean to say that, guys, but like whoever likes my video first means I give them a link in your videos, your new videos, guys. Right? And this is how I do my animations. Like I made my animations so realistic in DC2. Like actually, like I tried to make this all the time, and tried to make this video. Like I drew the Big Bad Wolf on TikTok. But check it out, and you will see my videos on TikTok as well. Yeah. I always make cool animations. He's dead, by the way. Guys, you stay there. Like here, guys. Like this is my like animation. Like this is like somebody's link. Like everybody makes links. And I'm going to make a video how to show you make a link. Yeah, guys, want that tomorrow, and I make a link for you. Yeah, and here's the movie. This is me make my sounds, okay? You guys, look at the map. This is so cool. Like, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.